Good day, elsewhere, and welcome to Career Life Connections 11. I'm so grateful to be here with you in this beautiful school, learning together on the traditional, ancestral, unceded Stolo territory of the Palal, Chalkwiyak, and Samath peoples. My name is Mrs. Porro, and together with your teacher, we'll be guiding you through Career Life Connections this year. So let's get started.
Let's get it started in here.
What is Career Life Connections? This is a course you can think of as happening over 2 years. So Career Life Connections 11 is this year, and then half of next year is Career Life Connections 12. We will explore pathways and options for life after graduation. We will learn ways that one can actually pay for post-secondary training if one chooses that path. And we will explore scholarship and bursary opportunities. We will find out more about other people's career journeys. We will set, monitor, and reflect on goals. We will learn how to leverage social media and build a positive digital presence. We will work on tweaking and improving resumes and cover letters. We will continue to build on the interview skills that we started last year, and we will also have some fabulous guest speakers and special activities to help enhance this program. So how does this course work? This is a full year course that you will access via myBlueprint and Microsoft Teams. Every week there will be video lessons, and if you're absent, you can find the videos inside Teams. You will complete the activities. They can mostly be done in class, but are always due by Friday of the week that they are assigned. Your last step is to make sure you post your work to your portfolio. Your teacher that you're with in your classroom right now will be the one who assesses the activities each week and posts your assessments to help you track your progress. So your tasks for this week are to log into myBlueprint successfully, create a portfolio, personalize your portfolio, and introduce yourself. The first step is to log into myBlueprint. So you're going to go to myblueprint.ca and click on login in the top right corner. And you don't have to do that until after this video lesson. There will be a document that has these instructions step by step. Then it's really important to scroll down to your school account login. Don't go to the first login locations on the top. Make sure you go to school account login. And that will connect you with our school district. You need to find our school district. There's a really long list. So if you type in 33 or SD33, it will go straight to our school district. Of course, then you'll click on login with school account again, and you'll sign in with your school district credentials. And this is the same information you use to access Teams and school computers and so forth. So you'll put in your username and your password and click on sign in, and you will get to this lovely dashboard. So that's step one complete. You've logged in successfully. The next step is to create a portfolio for this year. To add a portfolio, you will simply click on the portfolio button here, click add portfolio, and then you'll type in the name for the course you are in. So if you're in grade 10, it would be CLE 10. If you're in grade 11, it would be CLC 11. And if you're in grade 12, it would be CLC 12. In the description box, you can simply put the year. So this is 2022-23. Then you will click on add portfolio. And this is where you're going to personalize your portfolio. So you can choose an avatar and a banner that say something about you. And you can see here, I've got two examples. One where I'm reading a book with a cup of tea because that's something I like to do, and a canoeing because I love to spend time on the water. And in the second example, I'm waving at you from a computer because that's part of my job, and on my paddle board, again, paddling in the water. To complete your avatar and banner, you will follow these steps. You will need to have a few pictures in mind already or saved on your phone or your computer. I created my pictures using an app called Bitmoji. So to choose my avatar, I click on the avatar, and I actually can take a photo if I'm on a device that allows me to do that. So I could take a selfie right now, or I can select a file. And if I click in here, I can select the files to upload. To update my banner, the banner is interesting because you have to make a picture that is sort of long and narrow. I took screenshots of some pictures in my album, and then I cropped them so that they are fairly wide and narrow to choose from. So once you found your picture, you will click on upload, and then it appears. And there it is. That's how you personalize your portfolio. The next step is to introduce yourself. So you will have a set of questions that you need to add to your portfolio. So you will open up your portfolio and you'll click on Add Box. Then some options come up, and from those options, you're going to choose Add Journal. To create a journal box, you have to put in a title, and this will be introducing whatever your name is. And then there's a space where you can answer the questions. You could also type up the questions on a document, maybe a Microsoft Word document or something like that, and you could instead upload that document. So you can click on link and then follow the steps to upload it. There are specific questions you will answer when you introduce yourself, and these are as follows. So number 1, what does your avatar and banner represent about you? Explain with some detail. Number 2, what do people assume about you that isn't true? Number 3, what ideas do you have about what you might do the year after you graduate? And number 4, what mark are you working for in this course? After you've answered those questions, you will click on the Post button. We have a 4-point scale. And you can see here, if you want to get 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 3 out of 4, what is expected of you. So to get a 3 out of 4, which means proficient or applying, you can complete your work pretty much on your own. You respond to all the prompts, you meet expectations, you give a solid answer to each of the questions. Now, if you want to exceed expectations, to extend your work and get a 4, then you're going to put extensive thought and detail into your responses. You'll go beyond what is expected, and you'll show insight and sophistication in your responses. So that's how you get a really high mark. So here is your checklist for this week. You will have logged into myBlueprint successfully, created your portfolio, personalized your portfolio, and introduced yourself. That's it for this week. Have a great week. We'll see you next time.